Pick up your phone right now. Seriously, grab it. We're going to dive right into this explainer, but I need you to actually hold your device.
Please do not wait until after you finish watching this. I mean right now. Because over the next few minutes, I am going to walk you through a security audit that most people have literally never done. And the best part? It takes under 2 minutes once you know exactly where to look. By the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly how exposed your phone is and exactly what to fix. So follow along and do each step right as I show it.
Now, over the past 4 weeks on this channel, we've covered some truly eye-opening threats. We're talking phone hacking signs, hidden settings secretly recording your voice, apps selling your data, dangerous free VPNs, Google account breaches, and those scary public Wi-Fi attacks. But you know what every single one of those threats has in common? They all exploit standard, default phone settings that most people simply never bother to review. So let's start your phone audit right now with the master checklist. This is everything from the last 4 weeks compressed into one quick walkthrough. Check number 1 is app permissions, and this is without a doubt the single highest impact item on this entire list. Let's do this together right now. If you're on an iPhone, open your settings, go to Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Take a hard look at every single app set to Always. Go ahead and change any non-navigation app to While Using or Never. If you're on Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select your apps, and check those permissions. Once you've nailed down your location settings, do the exact same thing for your microphone, your camera, and your contacts. This should only take you about 60 to 90 seconds.
The golden rule here is incredibly simple. If an app doesn't strictly need a permission to perform its core function, revoke it immediately. A weather app absolutely does not need your microphone. A flashlight does not need access to your contacts. A game does not need your camera running in the background. If it actually needs it later, it'll just ask you again.
Moving right along to check number 2, updates and the lock screen. Basically, locking the front door. Listen, running an outdated operating system is exactly how most phones get compromised. It's usually not some clever phishing scheme or a highly targeted hack. Nope, it's just an unpatched vulnerability that the manufacturer fixed months ago, but the user never bothered to install. So, go to your system settings right now and initiate your updates. Then, update all your outdated apps in the background too, because old apps carry their own totally separate vulnerabilities.
Check number 3 is your lock screen security. First off, if your phone has no passcode or biometric lock, literally everything else in this audit is pointless. Set one right now. Second, look at the math here. A 4-digit PIN has just 10,000 possible combinations. By simply upgrading to a 6-digit PIN, you jump to 1 million combinations. An alphanumeric code gives you billions. Upgrade your PIN immediately to increase your protection exponentially.
But wait, a strong passcode isn't enough. If your phone is just freely leaking data while it's locked, you really need to stop your message content, your Siri access, and your digital wallet from displaying information to anyone who casually picks up your device off a table. Dive into your notification settings right now and change Show Previews to When Unlocked. Okay, let's look at the 10-second security rule, which turns security into a behavior. I want to pause the checklist for just a moment because I really want you to adopt this 10-second rule. Just 10 seconds. Every single time you install a new app, before you even start using it, spend just 10 seconds on the setup screen denying every single permission it doesn't obviously need. This tiny little habit completely changes security from a massive, stressful task that you dread doing into an effortless, ongoing behavior. If you apply this consistently, you will never let the problem build up, meaning you'll never have to do a massive, hour-long permissions audit ever again. Back to the list with check number 4, Wi-Fi and two-factor authentication. We are removing attack surfaces here. Did you know that your phone is literally constantly broadcasting probe requests? It is actively calling out the names of every single network it is ever connected to, desperately searching for them. Attackers can easily spoof these networks to trick your phone into auto-connecting. Go into your Wi-Fi settings right now, tap Edit or Save Networks, and delete every single saved network except your home and your workplace. This shrinks your attack surface instantly. For check number 5, we have to talk about two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Every critical account needs this, but you absolutely must prioritize. Start with your email account. Your primary email is the master key for all your other password resets. If an attacker gets your email, they get your bank and your social media. So secure the email first, then the bank, then social media, then your cloud storage. But hey, there is a right way and a highly vulnerable way to do 2FA. It is absolutely critical that you do not rely on SMS text messages for your codes. SMS is incredibly vulnerable to SIM swapping, where a hacker basically convinces your carrier to port your number to their phone. You must use an authenticator app instead, like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. An app requires physical access to your actual device, which makes it vastly more secure.
And finally, monitor activity and conclude. This is all about catching breaches early.
Look, the absolute fastest way to catch a breach before any real damage is done is by checking your active sessions. In Gmail, scroll to the very bottom of your inbox and click Details under Last Account Activity. Look for any IP address or device that you just don't recognize. Do the exact same thing in your social media settings under Active Sessions or where you're logged in. If you see a device you don't know, shut down that intrusion immediately by removing the session.
And as a quick 10-second bonus check, open your mobile browser and run your email address through HaveIBeenPwned.com. It's a completely free tool that cross-references your email with known data breaches. If you get a hit, it means your credentials from that breach are likely floating around on dark web marketplaces right now. If that happens, change any reused passwords immediately.
So here it is, the complete 2-minute master list. Revoke those permissions, update your software, strengthen your lock screen, delete old Wi-Fi networks, upgrade to authenticator apps, and monitor your active sessions. Seriously, take a screenshot of this slide right now. The first time you do this, it might take 10 minutes, but every monthly check after this, it takes under 2 minutes.
Your foundational security audit is now completely finished. You've taken some huge steps to lock down your digital life today, but remember, it requires consistency. Have you set your monthly calendar reminder yet? Do it right now. Because while your phone is now secure, are you ready to see what data brokers and the dark web already know about you? We are going to dive into exactly that in our next explainer. Thanks for learning with me today, and stay secure.